Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to fix face ID not working on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so first of all remove the protector and clean the camera. I hope your problem will be solved. Guys, if this method not work, please restart your iPhone. Here guys, I have iPhone X. Here guys, after that, now open setting application appears on screen, and here tap on general option. Now scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting. You can see appears on screen. Here guys, any problem inside your iPhone, by doing reset network setting, your problem will be solved. Here guys, now close this window and must be see the next solution. If this method not work, here guys, now launch the setting application appears on screen. Tap on it and scroll down, and here guys, tap on face ID and passcode. Enter the mobile passcode. Here guys, now scroll down and tap on reset face ID. Reset face ID and set up a new face ID. I hope you have a problem after this setting. Now here guys, close this window and open setting application and tap on general and tap on software update. If software update is available, now update your software. I hope your problem will be solved after software update and all the setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.